Hi guys, today how to learn Shopify website. To start this video, any browser, open the browser and search bar shopify.com and enter. So some moment, open the new interface, your website. Yes, the platform commerce is built on more than a million of the world's most successful brands trust Shopify to sell, ship and process payment anywhere. Simply enter your email address. Let's suppose abc@gmail.com. The advantage: free trial. Start free trials in 15 days. No any paid. Try Shopify free for 15 days. No credit card required. By the entering your email, you agree to receive marketing emails from Shopify. That's good option. So go through start your business, branding, online presence, store setup. Second option, sell everywhere, online store, point of sale. Option 4, buy button, checkout, sale channels, while sales marketplace, custom store front rules, international commerce. 3 option, market your business, email marketing, business chat, Facebook ads. So beautiful and useful app. Fourth and last, manage everything, payments, balance, capital, shipping. Okay guys, so next, bring your business online. Create an economics website backed by powerful tools that help you find customers, drive sales and manage your day to day. That's good. Explore more examples. Okay, open examples. First, food and drinks, Alfred jewelry, food and drink, beauty and cosmetics, home and gardening. So take the best path forward. Start an online business, create a business,